this machine, this is our rotary calf machine, focuses solely on our gastrocnemius or our calf muscle. From there, we have one area that we're going to line up, and that is going to be right here at this pin. That's our axis of rotation. I'm going to line up my ankle bone, okay, to that pin. So the only adjustment I would have would be my seat height to make sure that I can reach that comfortably. Okay, I want to make sure I have a slight bend in my knee. I never want to lock straight out. So I have a slight bend, my ankles lined up. For my toes, I like to have as full a range of motion as possible, so I like to go that second line in on the tread of the pad. I'm not coming up here because it's too hard for me to push down. I'm not going to be able to get that range of motion. So the lower I put my foot, the better range of motion I'm going to have working just my calf muscle. So I'm going to put some weight on here. Again, weight adjustment. You have your donuts still. Hold on to my handles. Put both feet up, and then from there I'm going to push my toes to the floor. Notice I keep my knees at a slight bend, but I'm not bouncing. Okay, now I'm not using my calf muscle at all. Okay, I want to make sure I keep my knees still at that slight bend. Push to the floor, slowly come back up. Push to the floor, slowly come back up. And again, you can do single leg if you wanted to, working one leg at a time. When you're done, slowly lower the weight back down. Please don't plate load this machine all the way to the top and do one rep. You're not going to get much out of that. So make sure that you can do up to 10 to 12 reps.